This is a camper van from Weinsberg. It's called the Fire Edition, and for something like this you're looking at €70,539. This is a 6-meter camper van, and it's called Fire Edition because the best thing you can do is burn it. No, sorry, it's not called that. It's called for some other reason. I think it's called because they had one called Pepper. Anyway, it's got a sink and 2 burners here. It's got a nice storage place below it. Close that like that. A Vitrifrigo 2-way fridge. Makes a lot of sense to have a 2-way fridge, although the noise might put you off. Although I think these now they're getting quieter and quieter. Under here we find there's shelves, but you can also use it as a wardrobe as well. And there's your bed at the back, storage along there, and we have this completely pointless ledge. What is the sense of having something like that there? It's taking away headroom, right? Because this is where you put your pillows up. That's number 1 point. Right? You can't put anything on it, but it's going to bang your head every time you sort of get up in the morning, because you're not likely to have your head at that end because that's where the window is. Window. Once more, I say the same thing. If people who designed these things actually used them, then they would know. That is the thing. That's the advantage of experience. You learn things from trial and error. Okay, there's you can open the windows at the back. There's a musquetiera. There's a blackout blind at there. I've got a place to keep your coats with a headboard-like thing there. And in here we've got this nice toilet with a shower and elegant basin places there to keep your shampoos and things. There's a window so you can keep an eye on what's going on outside whilst you're using the toilet. And down here we will find there's a storage which sensibly opens like that. I mean, that's a nice little touch there. And there's me in the shower. Note the amount of space. Bear in mind, of course, I am wearing shoes or sandals and I'm standing on the duckboard, but that's how much space I've got above my head, so I'm 175 centimeters tall. Also here we've got a thing to dry your towels or whatever it is you've got wet. Yeah, and there's a holder for your shower. Right, good. Nice floor to it, that'll burn easily. Sorry, same joke again. And right, so it's on a Fiat Ducato. They have camper vans on the Ford as well. The advantage of the Ford is that it gives you more space to play with. Thanks. It was a bit cheaper, but the base vehicle, they're doing all the same price now. Oh, this one's been fitted with this nice bike rack from Thule, or Thule, don't know how it's pronounced, and that will fold up neatly like that. Let's open this up. It's at the back, trying to avoid getting hit by the bike rack. Lots of storage below, as you'd expect. Mattresses and 3 parts. This one's even got a mattress topper to it. I think that's an extra. And in here we will find space for 2 full-size gas canisters. Right, there you go. That is a 6-meter camper van from Weinsberg Edition Fire. Now, I don't recommend the company, but I also need to point out the financial difficulties of the owner of the Weinsberg brand, that's Knaus Tabert, and they are likely to dump a large amount of stock on the market, which means that something like this, which is likely to find itself being sold rather cheaply, a lot cheaper than it's sold at here. That's a logical thing in these circumstances. So anyway, I'll just make that one clear. For the moment anyway, for me, thanks for watching and bye for now.